Let's learn some basics of inequalities with some examples. Have a go at this in your own time or just watch me have a go. I'm going to draw a number line because I reckon that's the easiest way to think about this. So there's the number 5 on a number line. And we know that if something's further to the right, then it's a bigger number. And if it's further to the left, it's smaller. So could x be 2? Well, this symbol here, this is saying x has to be less than 5. Yeah, 2 is definitely smaller than, yeah. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Is minus 7 less than 5? Yeah, definitely, because it's to the left. Is 0 less than 5? Yeah, for the same reason. Is 5 less than 5? No, because 5 is equal to 5. So it's not less than 5, it's the same. What about 6? No, because 6 is more than 5. It's not less than 5. Similarly, 100. 100 is more than 5. It's not less than 5. There you go, some examples. Depending on where you are, that might have felt very difficult, in which case maybe go and find an easier video. But I've tried to sort of pitch this, just kind of introducing things, some slightly more difficult things. Here's another one. So x has to be greater than 5. Okay, so we need it to be over there basically, and then that's good. Well, 2 isn't greater than 5, is it? Minus 7 is. Wait, what? I just said that wrong, didn't I? 2, let's start again. 2 is less than 5, so that's not. Minus 7, that's less than 5. Oh, that's not more than 5, is it? 0, again, no. 5, almost, it's equal to 5, but it's not more than 5. Okay, finally, we've got to a number that's big enough. 6 is definitely more than 5, and 100 is definitely more than 5. Let's do another question. Okay, pause the video if you want to have a go in your own time. X can be 5, but it can't be any of the others. Because we've just been told that x equals 5. That's what that means. That math sentence is saying x equals 5. So x can be 5, but it can't be anything else. This is saying x can be greater than or equal to 5. So it could be 6 and it could be 10, yeah? Because they're definitely greater than or equal to 5. It can't be 0, minus 7 or 2 because they're too small. But it can be 5 because this symbol here, that means it's greater than or equal to. That's what that means. Because it's got that extra bit at the bottom. Let's do another one. Complete this inequality. Well, this line here, drawn above a number line, can describe an inequality, and then we can complete it like that. Because we're saying 40 is more than x, and x is more than minus 10. Because basically we're saying that x is somewhere on this line, with the dots on each side showing where the line is. Okay, true or false? I like true. So pause this if you want to have a go in your own time. Okay, 3 isn't less than 3, is it? Because 3 equals 3. So, and 3 isn't greater than 3 because 3 equals 3. But 5 is definitely more than 3. But 5 isn't less than 3. 0 is definitely less than 3. Is minus 7 less than 3? I mean, I actually stumbled on this earlier. Do you remember? There's 3. There's minus 7. Okay, yeah. It's to the left on the number line. So correct. Minus 7 is less than 3. Final page. Last question. This is a bit of a puzzle. Pause it if you want to have a go in your own time. X is an integer. What is x? Well, we've been told that x is less than 5 and it's more than 3? Well, the answer is 4. If you're not sure, have a look. I'm going to draw a picture. We know that it's less than 5 and more than 3. And because it's an integer, the only possible answer is 4. There we go. Hopefully those questions were useful. Thanks for watching.